What's going on? Hey everyone. So it's Crypto Labijan here. Anyway, let's set up our Avalanche on our Metamask. So here we go again. We want to go to this tab right here. Let that scroll down. We want to add the network. This screen pops up. I've already put in another search engine to set up Metamask for Avalanche. Go to here. Same thing with BNB. We're just going to copy and paste. Copy. Metamask. Paste. PRC. I probably don't have to keep reading that since y'all can see it for yourself. Paste. Chain ID. So it's either or. Let's just do this one. Copy. Paste. Symbol. AVAX. AVAX, and then we're going to paste that last one right there. And save. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we have Avalanche on our MetaMask wallet. Simple, easy. What you think? I will have this video on my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe if you want more content. We'll see you on the next wallet setup. All right, peace.